Hello friends, my name is Bhupendra and I am going to explain circuit breakers. In this video, we will explain introduction to circuit breaker, basic definition of circuit breaker, working principle and types of circuit breakers. So friends, the modern power system deals with huge power network and huge numbers of associated electrical equipments. During short circuit fault or any other types of electrical fault, these equipments as well as the power network suffer a high stress of fault current in them, which may damage the equipment and networks permanently. For saving these equipments and the power networks, the fault current should be cleared from the system as quickly as possible. You can see a miniature circuit breaker in the diagram. So we can define the circuit breaker as a circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overload or short circuit. Its basic function is to detect a fault condition and by interrupting continuity to continually to immediately discontinue electrical flow. You can see in the diagram there is a spring and a circuit breaker can be consist of two contacts. So there is a first is fixed contact and another one is moving contact. Also there is a coil and there is a pivot. So as soon as the coil is energized, the fixed and moving contacts move themselves apart. So moving contact will move apart from the fixed contact. In the working principle, the circuit breaker mainly consists of fixed contact and moving contact. In normal on condition of circuit breaker, these two contacts are physically connected to each other due to applied mechanical pressure on the moving contacts. The potential energy can be stored in the circuit breaker by different ways, like by deforming metal spring, by compressed air or by hydraulic pressure. In the previous diagram you see the metal spring, but whatever the source of potential energy, it must be released during operation. Release of potential energy makes sliding of the moving contact at extremely fast manner. So there can be any operation can be there depending of the arc quenching medium. So as soon as the fixed and moving contacts move apart, there is a arc. So as soon as the arc produced, we have to quench this arc, we have to extinguish this arc, and depending upon the various arc quenching mediums, we have various types of circuit breakers. So the types of circuit breakers will be oil circuit breakers. So the arc quenching medium will be oil, and all the phases of the interrupters, all the contacts will be immersed in oil, and the oil tank will be grounded. So if the arc quenching medium is vacuum, in vacuum there is a very high pressure, that is called 10 raised to power minus 5 mm of Hg, that is mercury. At high pressure the arc automatically extinguishes and there are hot spots. So the vacuum is a arc quenching medium, and we can define as vacuum circuit breaker. Another type of circuit breaker is air blast circuit breaker, in which air blast is provided. Then a very good gas, that is sulfur hexafluoride, which is a very good arc extinguisher, which is inflammable, non-inflammable also, and it is non-toxic also. So it is highly used in India. This is at SF6, sulfur hexafluoride circuit breaker. Then in the home, in the houses at very low voltages, we use MCBs. They are miniature circuit breakers. And the last type is earth leakage circuit breakers. So we will have the discussion on the various types and the consequences, the pros and cons and the uses and the applications. Thank you very much.